New just listed home, 568 Shoreham Court Northeast, St. Petersburg, Florida by Stephen Mason from the military veteran team. This 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath townhome with 1,343 heated square feet offers comfort, style, and location in the sought-after Brighton Bay community. Inside, enjoy soaring ceilings, brand new luxury vinyl plank flooring, and a spacious living area that opens to a private patio. The kitchen boasts a large island and ample cabinetry. Upstairs, the king-sized primary suite features a walk-in closet and a spa-like ensuite with soaking tub and separate shower. 2 additional bedrooms and a full bath offer plenty of space. Residents enjoy resort-style amenities, pool, tennis, volleyball, basketball courts, and a playground. Make this home yours